Step inside the world of tomorrow's luxury, where innovation meets comfort in a way that leaves everything else behind. This is no ordinary motorhome. This is the Lucid Origin, a masterpiece of design, engineered to defy the very notion of travel. With its sleek black exterior, bold lines, and glowing accents, this motorhome doesn't just move, it commands attention. Its seamless fusion of futuristic architecture and powerful design delivers a stunning first impression, making it clear that this is not your average vehicle. As we begin our journey through the Lucid Origin, let's take a step inside. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a space unlike any other, a sophisticated blend of soft ivory and deep charcoal tones, accented with glowing gold trim that highlights every curve and surface. The interior doesn't just speak luxury, it whispers it, with the gentle hum of innovation at every turn. Let's begin with the bedroom. Imagine yourself waking up in this soft, serene space. The round, floating bed, framed by warm lighting, creates an atmosphere of quiet indulgence. Soft ivory walls curve around the room, enclosing you in a cocoon of relaxation. A luxurious touch of gold highlights the edges of the sleek cabinetry, and the bed itself rests on a glowing underlay, creating a soft halo around it. There's no rush here, only the peaceful, luxurious comfort of a home on wheels, designed with relaxation in mind. Next, we move into the dressing cabin, where modern elegance is defined by its clean lines and ambient lighting. The warm light casts a golden glow over the mirrors, reflecting the sleek design of the cabin. Custom cabinetry is accented with subtle gold details, keeping everything in its place while maintaining a sense of openness. The entire space feels like a boutique, designed for ease and indulgence, a perfect space to prepare for the day ahead or unwind in the evening. The kitchen in the Lucid Origin is a showstopper. A true masterpiece of minimal, the kitchen features high-end, black marble countertops that reflect the soft ambient light, paired with state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. The ergonomic design allows for functionality without compromising on style. Whether you're preparing a 5-course meal or enjoying a simple cup of coffee, this kitchen makes every moment feel like an experience. Moving into the lounge, the heart of the motorhome, we're greeted by a sleek, multi-level space designed for both relaxation and entertainment. The luxurious curves of the seating invite you to sink in, while the soft ivory leather cushions and glowing accents create an atmosphere of warmth and sophistication. The open-plan layout flows effortlessly into the dining area, where rich wood finishes contrast beautifully with the soft lighting. A spiral staircase leads to an upper-level lounge, offering a panoramic view of the road ahead, a perfect place to enjoy a drink, a conversation, or just gaze out at the world beyond. Now, let's step into the office, a space designed for work and productivity, but with the luxury you've come to expect. With its sleek black desk, comfortable chair, and expansive windows offering stunning views, the office provides the perfect environment to focus or host a video conference. Every element of the office is designed to blend seamlessly into the rest of the motorhome, allowing you to work on the go without sacrificing any comfort. The bathroom is where true elegance meets practicality. The black and gold accents continue in this space, where every detail has been designed for indulgence. A rainfall shower with smooth, polished stone walls offers an immersive experience, while the floating sink and gold-framed mirror add a touch of glamour. Soft lighting illuminates the entire room, ensuring you feel refreshed and revitalized, Northwest Matter where the road takes you. Moving down the deck to the indoor pool, you begin to truly understand the scale and luxury of the Lucid Origin. This is not just a motorhome. This is a lifestyle. The pool, nestled within the lower deck, is encased by panoramic glass windows, offering unparalleled views. As you relax in the warmth of the water, it's easy to forget that you're still on the move. This motorhome transforms the concept of travel, allowing you to relax and recharge as you glide effortlessly from one destination to the next. For those seeking physical activity, the gym in the Lucid Origin is nothing short of extraordinary. State-of-the-art equipment is seamlessly integrated into the space, where high-tech machines meet the finest materials. The gym is designed to inspire, making your fitness routine just as luxurious as your journey. With an atmosphere of tranquility and modern design, staying active while on the move has never been more enjoyable. As we step into the cockpit, the motorhome's driving space is as cutting-edge as the rest of the vehicle. Dual ivory leather driver's seats face an expansive array of digital screens, all designed with the latest in navigation and control technology. The cockpit layout is as futuristic as it is functional, with every detail crafted for optimal performance and comfort. The integrated controls allow for effortless driving, while the view from the large windows keeps you connected to the world outside. Now, as we conclude this tour of the Lucid Origin, let's step back and take in the full scope of what makes this motorhome a true marvel of modern engineering. The sleek exterior is just the beginning. Inside, every space has been meticulously designed to offer the finest in luxury, comfort, and technology. With its sophisticated design, cutting-edge features, and opulent materials, the Lucid Origin redefines what it means to travel in style. Pricing for this one-of-a-kind motorhome is understandably in the millions, with estimates running in the high seven-figure range. With its combination of futuristic technology and unparalleled luxury, the Lucid Origin offers an experience unlike any other. It's more than just a means of transportation, it's a statement piece, offering a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury wherever you travel. Whether you're heading out on a cross-country adventure or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome ensures that every journey is as comfortable, stylish, and luxurious as possible. And with that, we end our tour of the Lucid Origin, a motorhome that sets a new standard in mobile luxury. If you've enjoyed this glimpse into the future of travel, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exclusive tours and insights into the world's most luxurious vehicles.